In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add EndNote Click to Chrome. If you work with academic articles, EndNote Click can save you time by helping you access full-text PDFs directly from your browser. Let's walk through getting it set up in a clear, simple way. To start, open Google Chrome on your computer. Head to the Chrome Web Store, which is where Chrome extensions are safely listed and managed. Once the store loads, click into the search bar at the top and type EndNote Click. You're looking for the official listing named EndNote Click by Clarivate. Double-check the name and publisher so you know you're installing the legitimate version and not a lookalike. When you see EndNote Click in the results, click it to open the extensions page. On that page, click Add to Chrome. A small pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Click Add Extension to proceed. Chrome will download and install it automatically, and you'll see a brief confirmation once it's done. If you're curious about permissions, you can review what access the extension needs on this screen before confirming. After installation, it's helpful to keep the EndNote Click icon visible so you can get to it quickly. Look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the puzzle piece icon labeled Extensions. A small panel will open showing all your installed extensions. Find EndNote Click in the list and click the pin icon next to it. This pins the extension to your toolbar, keeping the icon visible at all times. You can also drag the icon to reorder it if you want it closer to the address bar. Before we wrap up, a few important notes to keep everything running smoothly. Some users report occasional sync or browser-related issues that can depend on your Chrome version. If something seems off, updating Chrome or restarting the browser often helps. Availability on Firefox has also been inconsistent at times according to user reports, so if you switch browsers, keep that in mind. Most importantly, always install from the official Chrome Web Store listing to avoid unofficial or outdated versions. That's it. You've opened the Chrome Web Store, installed EndNote Click by Clarivate, and pinned it so it's easy to access. With these steps, you're ready to use EndNote Click as you browse and manage research articles right from Chrome. Thanks for watching and happy researching.